Alright. It is, as you saw on the thermometer, minus 8 degrees outside. And fun. I'm going to see if my 15-year-old... This should be pretty interesting. If it starts at all. We shall see. Alright. Uh-oh. Not looking promising. Fuel pump's working. Alright, we'll give it one more go. Ooh, cold. Alright, well, just take two on starting the truck. So a little booster battery thing. Because trying to start this morning, it's now completely dead. Here we go again. There's enough juice in this thing to get it to go. Alright, so here we go. But now it's time for me to go. Not good. Alright, this is going to be the last chance at this. I think I have a sensor that doesn't work, so when it's really cold I don't think it gives enough gas. So I've tried disconnecting this. I don't think it's gonna work.